Welcome back to another video. Today we got some new tools from Harbor Freight, especially brushless tools from Bauer. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos, make more videos like this. Please help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell notification so you guys can get other notifications of other videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with this, and then we're going to move on to the brushless tools that Bauer has, the newer tools that are coming out. So we got Harbor Freight tools. We're here at the websites. You got the Bauer electrical box cutout saw for oscillating multi-tools. So if you don't know how the multi-tool works, basically it's like it goes left and right or up and down. It just depends on the settings that you can put there. But yeah, so this it pretty much vibrates, left like that. So you put this, basically mount this on the tool, and then just put it in the wall, and it'll just cut the square for you. Pretty much a very easy way to just do an electrical outlet, a new build, or running on a new electrical outlet. So electrical box cutout saw for oscillating multi-tools, $14.99. And this is the mounting area here, basically, where you would mount the oscillating tip there. And that's the saw, pretty much what cuts. And that's a demo how it could work for you. So alright, next tool we got the 9-piece brush kit, $2.99. Pretty simple, not really expensive. It's probably just your beginners. There's that. And then the next one we have is a 2-step steel stool, $27.99. It's pretty much like the old one. Might be getting a little bit more upgrades. So let's see here. You got Franklin NISI and OSHA compliant. 17.5 top step, so a little higher than the other one. 2.25 storage depth, so really thinner and slimmer profile and higher. As it says, it has up to 225 working loads. Type 2. Specification max height 8 feet. Base spread. Okay. Portable compact design. Alright, so that's $27.99. Let's check out some other pictures here. Looks pretty good. Looks like an upgrade from the other one. And then this we already went over on my on the other video. If you guys want to check those out, there's a newer tools came out from Bauer and Hercules. Check out those videos in my channel. So yeah, here's what I found. I found this picture on Facebook. If you go to the Harbor Freight groups, a lot of people post all the new stuff that's coming out, or if they have a problem with the tool or whatnot. And this is one of the posts that they have. So I'm not getting credit for this. I found this in the Facebook, so I'm giving the Harbor Freight groups credit for this information here. So coming soon, 20-volt cordless chemical sprayer. So then again, let me see if we can zoom in here. All right, I'm gonna put this in the middle here, and then we're just gonna zoom in. Alright, we got a chemical sprayer here. If you guys see here, looks like we got some sort of metal wand here. You got a plastic hand trigger there, and then you got a rubber hose, and then you got some sort of tank. So we've seen this in other brands. We've seen this design in other brands. Seems like on the front here, that's where the battery goes. I could be wrong. It could be on the back here, but it looks like on the front, that's where the battery goes. The other tool that we have is the brushless compressor. It's hard to tell by the picture. So it seems like we got a valve here on the bottom. And on the back, maybe we got the motor compartment here and the battery. Who knows? I could be wrong because it's hard to see. But the valve is definitely on the bottom. So, and it does say Bauer on the front there. And like I said, these are similar designs to other tool manufacturer currently out there. All right, the next tool that we have is the brushless drills. It doesn't really specify that it's a drill. It specifies drills. So this could mean an impact driver, drill driver, a hammer drill. Drills could mean a lot of different tools out there. From this picture here, it seems like we have a regular drill driver here. So we got the chuck here. It seems to be a little bit longer. Everything else seems to be the same as the other one. Maybe a little different here in the cosmetics. Maybe we got a red line here. Not able to see that. But yeah, and then we got some sort. I don't know if, yeah, looks like it's a light. I was going to say this is a selector switch, but it looks like a light. So that's pretty much going to be the drill. 19 gauge nailer. If you guys see here, looks like the battery. I would think the battery goes in the back. If it's like similar products that are already out. Looks like the battery's on the back. We got your standard there. It could be a finishing nailer or a pin nailer or a brand nailer. So it could be any of those because it looks fairly small. I wouldn't think this would be a framing nailer. So this looks more like a small nailer there. So you guys see the big head that it has here. It says Bauer right there. And yeah, again, room for the battery. And I don't know if this is a line or not, but it looks like maybe a line there for a red line or something. All right, the next one down is we have the brushless wrenches, impact wrenches. So yeah, I guess we're getting impact wrenches now and brushless. So they're stepping up the game here. It seems like we got a 1/2 inch here, and then we got a 3/8. That's what I think. See, this is the line that I was telling you guys I saw on the tools on the top, but it wasn't as clear as these. These are a little bit more clear. You guys can see the line that goes through there like that, and then you got some details here. Another black line here. I don't know if this is going to be a selector switch or something, but it looks like a darkened area. And you got your pretty much your standard transmission housing there. Power on the back, and everything else seems to be pretty normal. The only difference I would say is about this and this bottom piece. Same thing with this. This is a much larger tool. Same thing. You got a line there. You got some sort of design there, different designs. And then you got a resting pad there. So when you put the tool on the side, same thing with there. And then here you got the line there and another line there. So little different, but pretty much the same. I would say the interiors are probably going to be a lot different though, since they're brushless. So, and then here at the bottom, we got a 5 amp hour battery and an 8 amp hour battery. So we knew a bigger battery was coming. Because most of those tools, they say either a 3 amp hour battery or greater or bigger. So we knew something like that was coming. So this is no surprise. But yeah, just if you didn't know, a 5 amp hour battery and an 8 amp hour battery are coming out. And the last one is miter saws, guys. Seems like we're getting 2 miter saws. But that looks like a cord. You got some nice bases here. You got some nice red here on the base. Maybe on the motor compartment you got some red. On this one, it looks like you got some more red. I don't know if this is the bigger one. To me, they look the same size. So anyways, let me know what you guys think about these new tools that are coming up. And if you guys want a new tool, what tool would you want Harbor Freight to come up with, either Hercules or Bauer? So let me know down in the comment section. What tool would you like for them to come out for these brands? And just a short video for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos, make more videos like this. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.